If you've ever wanted to know how to access the Steam Marketplace, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps so you can get to the marketplace, browse items, and make a purchase if you want to. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, it helps to know exactly where to click. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you need to do is open Steam on your computer. Once Steam is open, look at the top menu bar. You'll see several options there, and the one you want is Community. Click on Community and a drop-down menu should appear. From that menu, click Market. That's the Steam Marketplace, and this is where you can browse a wide range of items available from other users. Once you're on the market page, you can start exploring right away. You can browse through the featured items, scroll through categories, or use the search bar if you're looking for something specific. This is helpful if you already know the item you want, like a skin, collectible, or game-related item. Steam makes it pretty easy to narrow things down, so take your time and look through the options. When you find an item you want to check out, click on it. This will open the items page, where you can view more details like the current price, recent sales, and the item description. If everything looks good and you want to go ahead, click Buy. If you don't already have enough funds in your Steam wallet, Steam will prompt you to add funds first. Just follow the on-screen instructions to add money to your wallet and then complete the purchase. That's really all there is to it. To recap, open Steam, click Community at the top, choose Market, browse or search for items, click the item you want and then buy it after adding funds if needed. Once you know where everything is, accessing the Steam Marketplace becomes fast and easy. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.